y'all see, I'm going to be installing this glueless OQ hair wig. I've done it before, but I haven't worn this wig in a while, and I really needed to wash it, and that's what I did. That's why it looks like this. It looks, y'all, when y'all soak these wigs, y'all repeatedly wash them, condition them, they are so pretty. The hair feels so soft and pretty. And I suggest that anytime you receive a wig, you wash it thoroughly, please, because they are filthy. Now, I have a pea head. Y'all know I keep my hair short. So I bought this little wig band that helps secure my wigs better, because again, I have a small head and not a lot of hair to help that grip. So this is me putting that on. Now this is me with the wig on, child. It was wild as I don't know what. I definitely look like the Cowardly Lion from Wizard of Oz. This is me just getting it in place, and you do not have to do this because it is a glueless wig, but I like to add a little extra security. So I'm gonna use this Gots to Be gel, and you can use the spray or any other glue that you might have. However you want to secure it, you do that. It's just temporary. I literally take these off when I get home or at the end of the day. Now, child, don't ask me how I forgot to show y'all my head with the band on it, but I totally did. And this is me now with it off. I'm going to pluck a little bit. Anytime it's a glueless wig, it came, you know, pre-plucked and all that stuff, but I wanted a part here, so it's nothing wrong with cleaning up your part. And again, I'm not doing any dyeing of the lace. Am adding some concealer to kind of enhance the part a little bit and just make it look a little bit neater. Now I'm gonna let y'all in on a little secret. These wigs that we buy sometimes, they're not customized to the size of our heads. So this wig of mine right here, this wig is big as I don't know what, honey. It's very loose on the back of my head. No matter how tight and how much I tighten the strap in the back, it is loose. So there is a way you can tighten your wig. If you want to see a video on that, I will show you. I'll show you. But here we go. I have my, I'm going to go ahead and flat iron this. So that is my heat protectant spray, nothing special. Use whatever you have. And look at this hair. Look how, when your hair is clean, that's what you get. Oh, and let me also mention that yes, the wig is still loose, although that strap I put on, it holds it better in the front, but it does not stop how big this wig is on my actual skull, honey. But anyway, this is me. I'm gonna do a few sections of this hair. I'm gonna flat iron it and show y'all what it looks like. Okay, this is what we have so far. This hair is kind of thick and fluffy and healthy and soft and shiny. And I like it. But I do need to flatten up the top a little bit more. So I'm going to use this hot comb. Yeah, I really prefer like the real kind, but this is an electric. It did what it needed to do, but I like the old school kind. But anyway, here we go. Also, please disregard these ridiculous expressions on my face. I guess I need to be more mindful of what I look like while I'm on this camera, child, because I see myself looking real crazy. But anyway, this is the finished look. Thank you all for watching. Again, please hit the subscribe button and share, and check out this wig. Bye.